In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add BNB to MetaMask. This process can be done on both mobile devices and web browsers, making it accessible for everyone. By the end, you will have BNB Smart Chain integrated into your MetaMask wallet, which is crucial for managing your assets on the Binance Smart Chain. Let's dive into the first option, which is the recommended method. Start by opening MetaMask and unlocking your wallet. This is where all your cryptocurrency management happens, so it's essential to ensure that you are logged in securely. Once your wallet is open, you will see your dashboard with your wallet balance and transactions. This is the central hub for your crypto assets. Remember, keeping your wallet secure is important, so always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication if available. Next, tap or click the network selector, which usually displays your current network like Ethereum mainnet. This selector is crucial because it allows you to switch between different blockchain networks. To see the options available, tap or click on it. It's important to be on the correct network for transactions to process smoothly. After clicking, you'll find a menu that shows various options for networks. Now, click on the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. This will open a drop-down menu with more options related to networks. From here, scroll down to find Additional Networks. This section is where you can access other blockchain networks, including BNB Smart Chain. This action is significant because it helps you navigate through the extensive options available in MetaMask, ensuring you can find what you need quickly. Continue by searching for BNB Smart Chain in the list of networks. This is the network specifically designed for Binance, and it is essential for transactions involving BNB. Typing in the name will help you locate it faster among the other networks. Once you find it, you will be ready to add it to your wallet. This step simplifies your future transactions on the Binance Smart Chain, making it easier to manage your assets effectively. Once you've found BNB Smart Chain, click the plus icon to add it to your MetaMask. This simple action incorporates the network into your wallet, allowing you to switch to it whenever you need. Adding the network is a straightforward process that ensures your wallet is equipped to handle BNB transactions. After this step, you can seamlessly operate on the Binance Smart Chain. After adding the network, switch to the BNB Smart Chain network. This is crucial because it allows you to send and receive BNB and other tokens on this blockchain. By switching networks, you ensure that your transactions are processed correctly. You will notice a change in the interface, indicating you are now on the BNB Smart Chain. This step is vital as it sets the stage for your future transactions within the Binance ecosystem. If you prefer to add the network manually, let's move to the second option. Open MetaMask again if you have closed it. This time, go to Networks and select Add Network, then choose to add a network manually. This option is useful if you want direct control over the network settings. It ensures that you have the correct parameters set for BNB Smart Chain, which is important for successful transactions. Now enter the following details. For network name, type BNB Smart Chain. For RPC URL, input https://bsc-dataseed.binance.org/. Next, for chain ID, enter 56. Then for the currency symbol, type BNB. Finally, for block explorer URL, enter https://bscscan.com. Each of these details is crucial for the proper configuration of the network. Ensuring accuracy here saves you from potential headaches later on, so take your time to double-check everything. After entering all the required information, select Save. This finalizes the addition of the BNB Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet. A confirmation message should appear indicating that you have successfully added the network. This step is essential as it locks in your settings, allowing for smooth transactions on the Binance Smart Chain. Now switch to the BNB Smart Chain network again if you haven't done so already. This final switch ensures you are ready to send and receive BNB. Remember, to receive BNB in MetaMask, make sure you send it using the BNB Smart Chain, specifically the BEP20 network. Sending BNB over the wrong network may result in inaccessible funds until the correct network is added. This little precaution is crucial for keeping your assets safe. With these steps completed, you can now confidently manage your BNB and other tokens on MetaMask. Enjoy exploring the Binance Smart Chain and the opportunities it offers.